Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, it's Professor Ben here, and today let's talk about the best stocks to buy for 2024. I think, in my personal opinion, the best stocks are Microsoft and Nvidia, and here's why. We're going to go into detailed analysis. Nvidia is a leading semiconductor company that specializes in graphics processing units, also known as GPUs. Its GPUs are widely used in gaming, artificial intelligence, and data centers. Nvidia's strong market position and future growth prospects make it an attractive investment. AI is like the new gold mine, essentially, and every tech company is using AI to make their existing software better by integrating artificial intelligence into their platforms, just like how Microsoft integrated GPT-4 into Excel to make it much easier to use. AI models are basically trained almost exclusively on NVIDIA's GPUs, and NVIDIA really doesn't have many competitors, as their GPUs are considered top of the line. Aside from AI and machine learning, their GPUs are used in self-driving cars. For example, Tesla used to use NVIDIA GPUs in their cars. And crypto mining also requires GPUs, especially if you want to do things like mine Ethereum. Additionally, GPUs from NVIDIA are used in many computers, especially to play video games, and NVIDIA has a great brand loyalty when it comes to that. All right, so we talked about the qualitative aspects of NVIDIA. Now let's move on to the quantitative aspects. So as we said earlier, there's a huge demand for GPUs for artificial intelligence research and development. And OpenAI's ChatGPT is trained almost exclusively using NVIDIA's GPUs. Interestingly, 83% of standalone GPUs sold are NVIDIA GPUs, so they have the majority market capture. Some reports say that around 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs were used to train GPT-4 in 2023. And there's two main enterprise professional version of their GPUs. That's the A100 and the H100. The A100 costs around $10,000 and the H100 GPU costs around $30,000 per unit. So NVIDIA was expected to ship around 550,000 units in 2023 just of the H100. And according to some data I found, the estimated production cost of the H100 GPU is only $3,320 per unit. $3,320 per unit, and they're selling it for $30,000. Incredible profit margins on this product. And as AI progresses, they're only going to sell more and more and more every year. In terms of NVIDIA's financial statements, their overall profit margin is incredibly high. It's higher than Microsoft's and higher than Apple's. NVIDIA's profit margin is 42% according to the most recent data, compared to Microsoft's 35% and Apple's 25% profit margin. All in all, I think NVIDIA is a great buy. They have a very promising future. And remember, AI is just in the beginning stages. NVIDIA is really at the forefront, the front lines of the AI revolution. And their financial statements are already testament to this. So the next company we need to talk about is Microsoft. Microsoft has made a huge investment in OpenAI, the company that owns ChatGPT, reportedly to be a multi-billion-dollar investment. Some say around $10 to $13 billion. And some reports say that Microsoft will keep 49% of the profits that OpenAI makes. What's interesting is that Microsoft hasn't actually gotten any equity in OpenAI. They don't own any stock in OpenAI, but they've created this agreement where they give them cash in return for a percentage profit. ChatGPT's integration with Microsoft products like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint has been absolutely amazing. If you haven't already tried using AI for Microsoft Excel, it just makes it so much easier to use and is so intuitive. Next, it's important to note that Microsoft is the exclusive cloud provider for OpenAI's workloads. That's just a fancy way of saying that everything from data storage to the actual computing power needed to train and run ChatGPT's AI models is done by Microsoft. All that data has value, and Microsoft is capturing all that value. Next, we see how Microsoft is starting to compete with Google. In 2021, Microsoft Bing had 6.7% of the market capture as for us being a search engine, and it rose to 9.19% in 2023. This is most likely due to Bing's integration with ChatGPT-4, which makes it so much quicker, easier to use, and it finds all the information you need in just an instant. Secondly, we need to talk about Microsoft's strategic acquisitions and investments. LinkedIn. Activision Blizzard, the Call of Duty franchise. Mojang, which owns Minecraft. ZeniMax recently in 2022, which owns Bethesda, like Bethesda games, Fallout, Elder Scrolls, Doom, etc. Skype. And interestingly, 4% of the London Stock Exchange Group was also purchased by Microsoft. And as we stated earlier, a huge multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI. A lot of people don't think about LinkedIn, Call of Duty, and Skyrim and Minecraft, but that's all owned by Microsoft now. Microsoft's partnerships, investments, and acquisitions are very, very smart and very strategic. The people in their company know what they're doing. Video game companies are known to have some of the highest profit margins in the industry. After all, it's a digital product that just keeps on giving profits, that is. And as we said earlier, Microsoft has a huge partnership with Nvidia. After all, they're buying tens of thousands of their GPUs to train their AI language models. So as Nvidia rises, Microsoft will rise, vice versa, and in tandem. Both of these stocks, Microsoft and Nvidia, are, in my personal opinion, great buys for 2024. Hey, so if you enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you could check out my book. It's called Stock Market Secrets: Insider's Guide to Successful Investing, and it's available for free on Amazon if you have Kindle Unlimited. All right, thank you so much for everybody, and I hope you have a great day.